In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a really pretty, simple, easy updo style because we know we love those here. I have already got all my hair in a two-strand twist off my face. If you would like to see how to do that because you're not sure how to make that happen, go back to this video here where I did it in my space bun tutorial and you can watch how I get this. But since I already have it in, we're just gonna start from this step of already doing the front part around our face. So once you have the hair around your face all twisted, you are going to take a hair tie and we are going to create a low ponytail. We're going to turn that low ponytail into a really pretty bun style.
First, collect all your hair into a ponytail and remember to check the back because we'll see, as usual, I don't check the back and my hair is actually parted in the back, so it doesn't look its best, but you know, that's what I get for not checking the back. So then you're going to tease your ponytail a bit, roll it up around your fingers to create a little sausage roll, pin that on the sides. You could stop at this point, but you'll see it's open on the sides. So what I do is at the bottom, I pull the sides over to the base of my head and pin it to the sides of my head just to close off that little sausage roll so we don't have any openings, and that's it.
All done. I hope that this gives you another simple and easy way that you can do your own hair. You could also do this style with the hair down around your face. You don't have to have it all pulled back, but this is just to show you that these styles do look pretty with your hair all off your face. You don't have to have bangs like me, or even if you do have bangs like me, sometimes we want our hair pulled off our face, and this is a really pretty easy way to pull our hair off our face and to give ourselves more of a sleek, elegant updo look than just having all of our hair down, especially if we're not sure how to style our bangs or our face framing layers so that they look more elegant. Let me know in the comments if you tried this style out and how it works for you, because I love hearing about your guys' success or helping you through your struggles. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and like and share my videos with anybody that you think they could be helpful for. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Bye.